In this video, let's learn how to construct a 95% confidence interval for the proportion. Let's start with a question. Suppose that Microsoft believes that 75% of Windows users are super satisfied with the operational system. If that is the case, what range holds 95% of all sample proportion if n equal 225? In this question, we want to construct a 95% confidence interval for this proportion of 75% that users that are very satisfied with Windows. This is the formula to construct confidence interval. The p hat here is 75%. Think that this is the mean point in the confidence interval. And then this term here will give you the upper limit and the lower limit of the confidence interval. This term here is the standard error. Is the square root of the variance. Here is the variance, p hat times 1 minus p hat. Divided by n is the sample size, that in this case is 225. This part here controls the range of the confidence interval. If you want a 95% confidence interval, you have to plug here 1.96. Let's see how we get this z-score. Z follows normal distribution with mean 0 and standard deviation 1. And this is the relation between the z statistics and the alpha, the level of significance. If the alpha is 5%, we want the z 2.5%. That is equal 1.96. We use software to get this value here, or check the tables in the end of a probability in the statistics textbook. Now, let's get this computation here. The result is the range of 95% confidence interval for the proportion p is 70% to 8%. That means we know that this part here is more or less 5%, and this is the margin of error, 5% below or above the mean.